Today at Best Keto Kitchen, I'm reimagining leftover hamburgers into a pizza skillet. So join me and let's get cooking. I started with 3 leftover hamburger patties that I had grilled the other night. I put them in a hot skillet with about a 1/4 cup of beef broth. And now I'm just breaking those apart on medium heat. Add a little more broth if you need to reconstitute the burger. Once that's all set, we'll add some Parmesan cheese on top. Next, add about a 1/2 cup of your favorite low-carb marinara sauce. And you can now remove that from the heat and start adding your toppings. I'm adding bacon bits, pepperoni, sprinkle on a generous amount of mozzarella cheese, and throw some more pepperoni on top if you like. And I also put on a little bit of garlic. Now we're going to bake this at 425 for 10 minutes. Talk about a quick, easy, and delicious weeknight keto meal. I hope you all enjoy this. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and press that notification bell so you're alerted each time I upload a new recipe. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.